In this video, we are going to block the ads from a website. We usually get lots of ad while we buffering the scrolling or like doing anything in websites. I will show you. Yeah, let's take an example. In this website, we get a lots of ads. I will show you. Yeah, here below we can see there is a lots of ads which get pop up here. Okay, to stop this we usually use some types of a technique. So here is one trick we can use to stop some ads. Okay, so here we can see first ad and second ad. There are lots of ads in this website. I'm going to block the ads in this website. To do that, we have to completely come to settings and then network and internet, and then here the private DNS. We have to open it and set the private DNS host name. So here dns.adguard.com, we have to set this and click on save. Okay, after saying, just completely refresh it. Let's open. Yeah, now just refresh it. Yeah, you can see here the ads has been removed completely. Okay, so it's basically work for like websites, and sometimes it also work for a YouTube. Okay, so these tricks can be used to remove ads, not completely, but most of the ads will get removed.